Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing my Moterm. I picked this up from Amazon. I wasn't going to record because I got stung by a wasp on my hand and it really hurt. It was actually really it was a lot more swollen than what it is now. Looks like it's going down a little bit, so it's okay. It's going down some. So yeah, so I picked this up on Amazon, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I purchased the B6 so I purchased the B6 Stalogy, and I'm so happy because I've been eyeballing these and I really like how they look. And I like how you can like customize how you want your Stalogy to look. So I purchased pink. I was gonna get gray, but I couldn't find a gray with the with this type of skin. So I got the pink one. So pretty. So it has tons of pockets. Oh, that one's okay. So these pockets, they're not that deep, but this one is a little bit like a little bit more deeper than the other ones. And then you have this one, and then you have two on this side. Two over here. An extra one, your little pin loop. And one here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of things that I want in my pocket. So I have some things. I put some things in this little acrylic drawer that I actually got these from the Dollar Tree. I picked up like 4 of them because I know I need a lot of them for the tons of stickers that I have. So the first thing that I'm gonna put in here, let's see, I have this little Planner Friends die cut from Capital Chick Designs, and I thought this would be really cute in here. You won't be able to see it, but I know what it is. But you know, once I stuff it, it'll like, you know, I'll be able to put it how I want it. So I think I want it in there some kind of way. So the next thing that I'm gonna put, so I have these little bow dots from Sadies stickers that I haven't been able to use in my memory planner, so I'm gonna use them in my Stalogy, and I have them in silver, rose gold, and gold. And I think this is the older format because of the way the name is on here. Let me zoom in. So yeah, I think this is her older format because the way her name is on here, and then now her name is like this. Maybe I should put them in the next one. So the next thing is also from Capital Chick Designs. It just says love it. I'm also going to add this little die cut. This is from Isabel Plans on Etsy, and I just printed this. I print and cut on my Etsy, and I also use my laminator to laminate it, and I put it on both sides. And I'm just gonna put that in there as well. I'm probably gonna have to use it here. So these two girls are from Amazon. If I can remember the name, I will put it in the link, or if I can find the link, I'll put it in the link below. But here is one of them. She's super cute with her little pouty lips and her blush. I really love blush, so that really spoke to me. I don't know where I want to put her, so I want her to be seen like there. And then this one with her glasses kind of down and her short shorts. I love that. I'm probably gonna move them down here. They are so cute. So I also have this sampler from Planner Studios. I actually picked up most of her characters from her shop, and she sent me 2 of her sampler icons. So I'm gonna put one in my B6 pocket. And they're super adorable characters. If you follow me on, let me put it like this. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture of all of them, or almost all of them, so you can kind of see what they look like. So I have Michael from The Office, and I really been liking The Office lately. I just turn it on at night, and they're really funny to me. They're kind of like the Friends. I watch them as if I'm watching the Friends, kind of, sort of. If I'm not watching Friends, I'm watching The Office, I'll say. So yeah, I'm gonna put him in here because I think he's funny, and he'll be just cool to like take out and just, you know, look at. And I have 2 of these samplers from Sadie stickers from her 4-year anniversary and rose gold, so I'm gonna put one of them in my pocket. All right, so that is it for my front pocket. I might end up moving it if I find that it's too much in my front pocket, but I feel like I have easy access to like the characters if I want to use them in the bow circles, if I want to use them. Everything else is for aesthetics, for me to look at, that I think is cute. So in another thing that I'm gonna add is this piece of cardstock that I picked up from Michael's, and I chose purple. I have a white one too, but I just wanted to use a purple one instead. So now in this first pocket here, I think I'm gonna add like numbers and things like that. So I have these numbers from JK Creates Co. in silver. And I also have some from Simply Gilded in hollow foil from the Whale Tails box. So I'm gonna add those to the side pocket over here. I'm also going to add in the seals because I think I'm gonna use those as like tabs throughout the month. And then I just have some little circle dots that came from Recollections. I'm just gonna add that in there as well. All right, so I'm just gonna add a pin and see how that looks. I don't know what these are for. I guess to like hold your place, like a bookmark maybe. So for my Stalogy, I went for the year one. I know I'm going to use this for the rest of 2021, and then hopefully it'll last me going into 2022. And the reason why I decided to use a Stalogy as well is because I need more than one calendar. I need one health-wise for myself, and then health-wise for my kids, and then I also need a social media Stalogy as well. So that's why I am turning to a Stalogy now. So this is the one that I chose, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there for now. I may take it back out later because I want to decorate it a little bit more. So that is my pocket. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments below, and I will have everything linked down below as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.